How to download and install Brother Printer Driver. Step 1. Open your browser. Step 2. Search for your printer driver according to model number. Step 3. Open the Brothers Support official website. Step 4. Check the operating system. Step 5. Go to the driver section. Step 6. Click on the latest printer driver. Step 7. Review the license agreement and click on the Agree to the EULA and Download button. Step 8. Once downloaded, open the file. Step 9. In the security warning window, click on Run. Step 10. Once the decompression is successful, check the language and click on OK. Step 11. Wait for the setup to prepare. Step 12. Review the license agreement and click on Yes. Step 13. Choose the setup type and click on Next. Step 14. If you have selected the standard type, the installation will start. Step 15. In the User's Guide window, click on Next. Step 16. Read the environmental advice and click on Next. Step 17. Register your device with Brother and click on Next. Step 18. Once the window shows setup is complete, click on Next. Step 19. At last, click on the Finish button. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.